You work 40 hours a week trading your valuable time for dollars, yet somehow your bank account resets to zero before every single payday, keeping Americans in the paycheck-to-pay cycle forever. And mistake number 7 is an invisible psychological trap, draining your net worth right now. If you skip this 2-minute video, you could literally hundreds of thousands of dollars over Pay close attention to every single mistake. And mistake number 1, upgrading your lifestyle the second you get a raise. Buying a brand new car or finance expensive gadgets instantly destroys your momentum funds before you even touch it. And mistake number 2, leaving your money rotting in a traditional bank account earning point. Inflation is eroding your purchasing power by 3 to 6% every single year, 4 to 5% interest. Mistake number 3, paying yourself last. Spending money on bills first, hoping to invest whatever is left over? You will never build wealth this way, or 401k on A-Day. Mistake number 4, ignoring $15 streaming services, gym memberships. These micro leaks quietly burn 2,000 to 3 days of bank statements right now and everything you don't use daily. Mistake number 6, investing without an emergency fund. Without liquid savings, the moment a medical bill or job emergency hits, build a 6-month emergency buffer first. Now for mistake number 7, the absolute biggest reason why 70% of middle-class Americans live broke while earning decent paychecks. This is not just a financial, it is a deadly psychological trap. Mistake number 7, spending money you don't have to buy things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. Trying to look rich keeps you permanently broke. Build quiet wealth, focus on your net worth, not social media clout. Looking wealthy and actually being wealthy are 2 completely different realities. By eliminating these 7 dangerous habits, you can radically transform your financial path and step onto the road to true financial. Building wealth in America is not about luck or earning $1 million a year. It is about controlling your habits and mastering the rules of money. Take control of your financial destiny right now. Building wealth in America. This video is strictly for educational and in purposes only. It does not constitute formal financial, tax, or consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions. Be honest down below. Which of these 7 mistakes have been falling for recently? Drop your honest answer in the comments right now, and let's see how many of us are fixing it together, financing right now. Disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Drop your own answer in the comments, research, or consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions.